Okay, so what I'm going to do is write this number as a fraction and a decimal. So you can see there are 4 place value counters there. Each one is a 100th. It's a 0.01. So how can I write this as a number? So write this number as a fraction and a decimal. Okay, I'm going to start with the word. So I can see there are 4 hundredths. Right, let me write that as a fraction. So it would be 4 over 100. So I want you to imagine that each of these place value counters is like 1 square on the 100 chart. So 4 of them make 4 squares, so 4 hundredths, 4 out of 100. And as a decimal, well, each one is 0.01. Altogether, if I added them, it would make 0.04. Right, it then says, how else could you represent this number, this 4 hundredths? So here's one way I'm going to show it. And here's on 100 square. Now remember, each 100th is just 1 square on 100 square. So imagine the square is worth 1. It's 1 square. Its value is 1. Well, then you can see how small 4 hundredths are. They are just 4 parts out of 100 of 1. So I'm going to do it green this time. Okay, so that picture there, that shows 4 hundredths. You can see how small the number is. Right, there's another way. This time I'm going to use a place value chart. I've got my counters here. Now again, I want you to see where the hundredths go on a place value chart. They go all the way over here. So that's why 4 hundredths, we read it as 0 in the ones, 0.0, because there aren't any tenths, 4, 0.04. So there are 3 different ways of showing what this number is as a fraction and a decimal.